So, you're ambitious. You have big dreams. You want to be successful and live the life you've always imagined. But there's a problem. You're stuck. You know exactly what you should be doing, yet you don't do it. This leads to guilt, because deep down, you know you're capable of doing. This guilt builds up over days, weeks, months, until it turns into acceptance. You label yourself as a lazy person. Then, the new year arrives. And with it, the same goals. You start off strong, fueled by motivation. But before you know it, procrastination creeps in, like that one uninvited relative. This turns into a daily cycle, and you've officially labeled yourself as lazy. So, how do we break this cycle? Most advice only fixes the symptoms, like deleting social media. This fails to address the real issue. The root cause is one word: inertia. In physics, inertia is the tendency for objects at rest to stay at rest. This is Newton's first law. It applies to your tasks too, and objects in motion tend to stay in motion. The problem is, we make the initial push so big and difficult in our minds that we avoid the task entirely. So, to break procrastination, we need to break inertia. Here are two ways. Method 1. Reduce the stakes. Make the first step incredibly small. Don't say, write the essay. Say, I'm only going to write 50 words. The feeling of inertia is much lower. Method 2. The 2-minute rule. Don't feel like cleaning. Just commit to cleaning for 2 minutes. Put on a song and stop when it ends. The best part? Usually, you'll continue longer. Because objects in motion stay in motion. Getting started is like pushing a ball over a small hill. Once you're over the peak, momentum takes over and it gets easier. You can apply this to anything: the gym, your work, your relationships. Reduce the stakes. Start with just 2 minutes. As Martin Luther King once said, you don't have to see the whole staircase, just take the first step. So, what's the one tiny step you can take today?